A quick way to access our referring veterinarian portal is to go to the Lloyd Veterinary Medical Center webpage through Iowa State University College of Veterinary Medicine. If once you access our webpage, there is a quick button titled Referring DVM Login. If you click on this, it'll take you directly to our referring vet portal. Another option is to enter the web page directly into your browser. So rdvm.cvm.iastate.edu. And this will also take you directly to this page. On this page, you have the ability to enter your username and password, or if you need help, such as setting up access, you can click on the drop-down menu over here. On the drop-down menu, you can select Referring Veterinarian, and an additional menu pops up. In order to get set up with an account and password, you'll fill out the pre-registration form that will be sent to our clinic staff, who will get you set up with access. Another option under the Need Help button is to reset your password. So let's say you've forgotten your password, or maybe it's not working. There's an option here to reset that. There's also a quick button to contact our reception staff. So this is going to be through email. And so you're able to quickly click this button and then type up an email asking any questions you might have about the portal. If you already have your username and password, you can go ahead and enter it here to access your account. Once you click login, it'll direct you to this page. If you click on menu, a small menu will show up, and you can either view patients' medical records, any ClinPath cases, pathology cases, histopath submissions, as well as the referring vet portal. So it's titled VMC Consult/Refer. There's also an account button where you can view your clinic invoices, pay your clinic invoices, or change your password. Going back to general and the referring DVM portal, you'll click on VMC Consult/Refer. And it will take you to this page where you can select the service that you would like to communicate with. All of our services are listed. We predominantly use this for our small animal services, but if you would like to contact one of the large animal services in this manner, we also encourage that. And so if I scroll down and I choose the service, let's say small animal internal medicine, it will then pop up with this screen, which will give me the options that are available. And so the portal, you can submit a referral, which is where you'll submit case information directly to the internal medicine service because you are referring that case to come see that service. There's also a consultation where you can submit case information to ask questions of an internal medicine doctor. There is a charge for the consultation service of $50 that will post to your clinic account. There's also an option for follow-up on a mutual patient. So this is where you can submit a question or follow-up information on a patient that you had previously referred. They were seen at the Lloyd Veterinary Medical Center, and now they're being seen back at your clinic. So you can select one of your options from the menu down below. We'll just select referral only, and then the form will pop up that you'll fill out. So it asks species, sex, age, weight, the breed, the pet's name, the owner's name, the phone number, the address, so ways we can contact the owner. We also ask the preferred method of setting up an appointment, whether the client is going to contact us or you will contact us or you have contacted us. This way we know if we should reach out to the client directly to set up an appointment. We ask that you provide case information, exam findings, any diagnostic tests that you performed, and here you can list any additional tests that may not fall under the ones already listed. Please include your problem list, any medications. This is where you can attach files, such as results from lab work, any radiology images. We ask that you include the primary clinician's name and preferred contact number in case we have any follow-up questions that we need to ask in order to work through the referral process. There is an option to save your draft for later if you need to come back to it, or you can delete it if you decided not to refer, or you can click send. Clicking send will give you a prompt, are you ready to send? And you can click OK. If there's any portion of the form that needs attention, it'll also alert you to that. And so we also have an option for consultation. So again, the form is very similar. This one's a little bit different because we don't require as much owner information because we will be communicating with you directly versus contacting the client. Down below the main box, that's a little bit different, is we do ask that you write what your expectations are for the consultation and any specific questions that you have. So we make sure that we're really answering what you're interested in knowing. Again, you can attach your files, save for later, delete, or click send. The follow-up on a mutual patient, the main differences with this form is going to be that we ask that you try to include their medical record number that we have already assigned at the Lloyd Veterinary Medical Center. If you know it, you can enter it here. If you're unsure, we do have a drop-down menu here that lists your recent referrals, so you can easily choose from them because, again, typically the follow-ups are something that you've referred previously. Same information is required. And again, we want to make sure that you list your expectations and specific questions so we know what you're looking to have answered. Each of the services referral forms or consult forms, follow-up forms are a little bit different because they're really targeting a little bit different information. And so this is the generic one for small and internal medicine. Some of the forms might ask for more details in certain aspects of the medical record.